It looks definitely cleaner, you know, than the other one on the other side.
Yeah.
Just a bit wary about going, isn't it? I'll have a little look.
There's no water down there.
Yeah, mate, come have a look at this one. It's proper clean. It's well clean, this one.
Should have cleared this fucking opening out a bit.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
It's proper clean, mate, compared to that other one. It's the same sort of style.
What's the straw doing down here?
I don't know. It's all been sleeping here. Should we go in? Yeah, man, it's alright. So there's the escape hatch.
Well, someone's been eating cakes down here.
There's an escape hatch here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just there, you can see it.
Fucking hell. The air's a bit weirder down here.
So look, and then it goes up.
Where's that going up to? It goes down there.
Yeah. It's cool, then. And there's another one as well.
Fucking big, isn't it?
It's definitely cleaner than that last one.
Yeah. It's all the air's thick very down here.
Look, you seen all that coming out?
Yeah, that's corrosion, mate.
Yeah, there's a candle here.
Yeah, probably someone's been down here.
Someone been eating some cakes.
Fucking weird.
Maybe I'll... Oh, there's the spiders up there.
Ah, fucking acorns.
That's cool.
I hope you're fucking tall.
Oh, literally in the middle of nowhere, this, isn't it? Pretty much. And there is another one.
The escape hatch is going to be roughly like somewhere there.
Just where's the other one? There is another one.
Might be further along.
Found the escape hatch. And we think it's down here, the entrance. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's actually, you can see light at the end. Yeah, it's quite bright inside. People have been in this one though. Yeah. It's a bit more damp than the other one. Cool. So that's all we've found them all now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sweet. Cool. What's that? Yeah.
That looks like to me since that's come up a fucking telephone or a radar. They all have different like light boards and switchboards.
There's some big bolts as well down here. You know, like I was dragging them out the other day when I was magnet fishing. These type of bolts. Massive bolts.
Yeah. Could be off anything, mate.
Them.
Yeah.
They're awesome, they are. Cool. I'll try and get out of this thing now. Oh. Cool. Can't believe we found both of them.